هی بادی، من اماری هستم، اینجا اماری چه امروز اومدیم تو هم بتونیم یکی از دوستام تو یوتیوب بهم یه مستندی فرستاد که واقعا دیدنش تخم فیلم میخواد. الان میریم با هم بررسیش کنیم. اگه اولین باری که ویدیو منو میبینید لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره. بدونش معطلی. Let's start the fucking show.
Our list with a rather disturbing video taken in Guangdong province in South China. I know that you didn't ask for this, but here's a step-by-step.
پشمام حاجی، اولی کاری داری با مار شروع میکنی.
The guy in this video
تخم
first
سگ.
carefully washes the snake, then puts it in a bowl until the snake is completely clean. Then he cuts it from top to bottom. Notice how the snake's body still moves around even after it's been gutted completely.
دیگه شروع میکنن از بالا تا پایین این پوستش و ایناشو میکنن، در حالی که هنوز زنده‌ش و بدنش داره حرکت میکنه. پشمام دیگه مورمور شد بدنه.
بکیرم الان من چیکار کنم؟
It became common among the classes as well. Snake soup is also used for medicinal purposes in China because they believe it cures ailments such as arthritis and improves blood circulation. However, eating snake soup might also be the easiest way to get coronavirus. Just saying. Weird street foods in Shenzhen, China. In this video, you can see the weirdest street foods that you can eat in the city of Shenzhen, located on the central coast of southern Guangdong.
What the fuck اینا کیه؟
First, there's black stinky tofu. This doesn't sound very appealing, does it? The odor of stinky tofu is said to resemble that of rotten garbage.
نه.
How can anyone eat
تخم سگ آشکار میخوری.
I know the Chinese people are special and all, but man, this is weird. The video also shows us a whole bunch of unusual
بگم داره کم کم حالم بد میشه.
Centipede, grasshopper, sea serpent, spiders, weird bugs, and yes, even scorpions. These people literally eat anything that moves.
یکی این مردم هر چیزی حرکت میکنن میخورن.
But the Chinese really take it to the next level. Moving.
شما که هر چیزی که حرکت میکنی میخوری. خب بیا
اینو بخور. If you know your sea creatures, you'll understand.
خدا رو شکر. خدا رو شکر بالاخره از دک خر و نمیدونم اسکورپیان و چیز و میز کشیدم بیرون، دارم ماهی میخورن. ماهی. خدا رو شکر.
Creatures on the planet. What do I mean?
پشمام.
Nearly all pufferfish contain tetrodotoxin, a toxin that is so powerful and deadly that it can kill 30 people in one.
حاجی اینا به خدا تخم فیل دارن. به خدا تخم دارن اندازه یه خونه. میگه که آقا این ماهی خیلی سمی هستن و ممکنه بکش آدمو. اول فصل. Continue.
One hit. What makes it even more dangerous is the fact that there isn't any antidote. So how and why do people still eat it, you ask? Well, that, my friends, is a very interesting question. You have to remove the poison, obviously, but it's not like anyone can do it. Only a specially trained chef with years of experience can prepare it. It's
حاجی پشمام. میگه که آقا این سمو فقط آشپزایی میتونن جدا کنن که سالها تجربه این کارو داشتن و بسیار ماهرن. یعنی این تخم سگا جونشون رو از نمیدونم کجا پیدا کردن. واسه همین کرونا دیکشون هم نی. آقا خدا نمیدونم چی بگم. Continue.
pretty brave to trust your chef to be good enough to get the poison out. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't risk it. Strangely, some chefs actually choose to leave a little bit of the toxin in the fish, which causes a tingling sensation on.
نه دیگه پشمام. میگه که آقا بعضی از این آشپزا خودشون عمدن یه ذره زهر میذارن بمونه. جان بابا من کروکودیل عکسشو میبینم میرینم تو خودم. شما میرین کروکودیل میخورین؟ یا اول فصل اصلا نمیدونم تخمام چسبیده به گلوم. نمیدونم پشمام. کروکودیل هم رحم نمیکنن.
Did you know you can eat them? Well, in China you can. If you're gonna try some, just make sure it's properly grilled before you do. You don't want it biting back now, do you? People in China just love the chicken meat likeness of the croc, but that's not the only reason they're eating it. Apparently, the crocodile has numerous health benefits, and it can also cure respiratory illnesses like asthma. Some popular dishes prepared with crocodile include crocodile curry, crocodile tail steaks, and crocodile soup. So, would you try crocodile meat? Let me know in the comments. I have. It was no, wait, that was alligator. Oh, it was awesome.
پشمام دیگه موجی هم رد داده من دارم چشام آب میاد از بس حالم خراب میشه. گمونو بالا بیاره. موجی میگه که آقا من الگیتور خوردم، تمساح خوردم و خیلی هم عالی بود. That was awesome. میگه بعضی وقتا خوردن غذای مرده واسه جالب نیست، میخوای که غذا زنده باشه.
Slither down your throat because it's technically still alive. This South Korean dish is served so fresh that NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。ingredient octopus.
2 hours later.
Oil and sesame seeds to at least make it look a little more bearable.
بله.
If something's going to be attacking the inside of your mouth, you want it to at least be tasty.
Shit.
Okay. When I say attacking the inside of your mouth, I'm not exaggerating for
shit. میگه که آقا این زنده است، وقتی داری میخوری ممکنه که توی دهنت بهت حمله کنه، تو رو بکشه. پشمام اینا واقعا دارن چیکار میکنن من نمیدونم. آقا بیا همین کله پاچه خودمون رو بخور، هم استرنج هم خوشمزه است. اکتاپوس ول کن بابا. جان پشمام دیگه، پشمام همه چی رو زنده میخورم. یا آقا این اسکورپیونا رو بعضی وقتا سوخاری میکنم، بعضی وقتا نمیدونم چی میکنم و بعضی وقتا زنده سرو میکنم. پشما. Oh, continue.
Things couldn't get any weirder. But hey, at least they're tasty, right? Wrong. It's said that scorpions taste like moist ground. Wait, what, seriously? Then why do the Chinese eat them? Well, who knows? The scorpions are sometimes put into traditional liquors and sometimes mixed with herbs. These fried scorpions are snacks. And also, the stingers of these scorpions are not removed due to the fact that they lose poison after they're exposed to heat. The scorpions are also used for medicinal purposes. They are so frequently
من نمیدونم با اینا چه خاصیت درمانی میتونه داشته باشه که هر انو گوهی دارم به خورد مردم میدم، میگن که آقا اینا باور دارن که خاصیت درمانی هم دارن. بابا بسه به خدا دیگه بسه. اصلا شما برو شیر خر بخور، پروتئین داره، خاصیت درمانی داره. پروتئین.
Chinese street food. And if it wasn't enough for you already, here's another look at the Chinese street food. There is something for everyone. Not me, though. You have live scorpions on a stick, all sorts of insects, some weird tails, grasshoppers, tarantulas, and even tiger claws. And here I thought lamb head was bad. Chinese people always seem to find a way to surprise you. And that's a wrap on the most unusual foods that exist only in China. Would you try any of the foods on this list? Or would you stay the hell away from it? Like yours truly.
من برگشتم و این هم یه ویدیو بود از چیزهای تخمی که اینا داشتن میخوردن. اگه از این ویدیو خوشتون اومد ما رو به دوستان معرفی کنید، لایک و سابسکرایب یادتون نره و یه ویدیو دیگه فعلا پیس.